over there.
Oh, there was only one raspberry, so he can share it. I like this better than the prior one. They were both very good, though.
No.
Henry, do you remember what this is called?
What?
Coconut cream pie.
Okay, but when can we have a cinnamon?
Well, I thought we would take the cinnamon rolls home because I don't think we need 3 desserts.
Here's my ice cream. Okay.
It's coming from Delta. I see an airplane. Look!
Oh,
Whoa!